welcome to our YouTube channel.
In this episode, we are working on this Daytona edition charger. Let's get started.
We're gonna start our details from rims. This car is sitting on lowering springs from a year and a half, so that is why I'm putting it up on a jack to clean the rims and fenders properly. For the rims, I'll be using Auto Bright's rim cleaner, and I'll be using all my brushes and mitt for the rims. All the rims are done, so now we're gonna detail the engine bay. I'm pulling the air intake out before starting the engine bay detail. As you guys can see, the intake is pretty dirty, so we guys gonna clean it before installing it.
After the engine bay, it's time for pre-soap.
We are done with the pre-soap, so let's prepare the bucket for contact wash.
shady with my boo. Got a slim thing that's gon' shoot she off the water too. Been getting money, can't cuff no, he gon' go. If you got it, throw some more. Spend that money, you ain't broke. Shake that money maker, show me what your mama gave you. Got it out the mud, it ain't a out here said I made you. Just think they cute, they be chicken like the commentators. If I see you with your booty, babe, you know I gotta take them. Man, this shit expensive, we getting money bags. Man, this shit expensive, we out here popping tags. Man, this shit expensive, ain't even gotta ask. Man, this shit expensive, you see it on it. Man, this shit expensive, we getting money bags. Man, this shit expensive, we out here popping tags. Man, this shit expensive, ain't even gotta ask. Man, this shit expensive, you see it on it. We in the majors, grab a script, this a movie, you know you